Hello everyone, welcome to another video. And today I'll transfer data from an old phone to a new phone via Samsung Smart Switch. There are two options to transfer data. The first option is the setup screen and I'll be setting up the new phone. Then when it asks me if I want to set up with another device, I'll simply press the Galaxy or an Android phone option. Then I'll continue on my old device and scan the QR code on the new device. Then the old device will ask for the fingerprint or the lock screen password. Then it will load for a few minutes and ask if I want to copy my data from the old device. I'll press next and continue with the setup. Then it will ask if I want to transfer wirelessly or wired. For this part, I'll use wired transfer, but I'll also show the wireless option later. Then I'll get my cable and connect it to the two phones. Then continue on the old device and press OK on the pop-up. Then select which data I want to copy. I have selected copy everything, but I'll show you the other options later. After a few minutes, just continue with the setup. For this demo, I'll disable and skip some stuff to make the setup faster. Then it will ask what apps I want to install, but I'll deselect all since I don't need them. I'll skip this. Now the new phone is done with the setup, but I'll leave it for a few minutes as it is still transferring data. The old phone says it's done transferring data and I'll disconnect the cable. But I'll still leave it alone as it is still processing all of the data that it had received from the old phone. Then the new phone will download the apps, so I'll have to leave the phone again. After this, the phone is done. There's also another option to transfer data from an old phone, like if the new phone had already been set up. On the new phone, go to the settings and go to the button that says bring data from old device. Then allow the permissions to access the phone's data, then select receive data and the Galaxy or Android option. This time, I'll be using the wireless option to transfer data. Then it will try to connect to the old device and simply allow the connection and continue with the setup. Then select what data you want to copy. In my case, I'll only copy my messages. Finally, the phone is transferring the data and it's now done. It was fast since the messages are not that big or difficult to transfer. Next, I'll be showing what to do when I'm selling or giving away my phone. First, I'll go to the Settings app and navigate to the Accounts and Backup button. Then, select Manage My Accounts and log out or remove all the accounts listed here. Warning: make sure your data are backed up as they will be erased after doing the next step. Go to General Management, then select Reset, then Factory Data Reset, and continue with the prompts. Last warning: before performing a factory data reset, make sure you have moved or backed up your data, as all the data on the phone will be deleted or erased. Here are a few notes before I end the video. While transferring data, make sure to remove the phone case as both phones would heat up while transferring data. I did not remove mine, so the phone was really hot. After transferring data, I'll wait for the phone to process and download all the apps and data, so it can concentrate on doing those and complete the transfer process faster. I have shown how to log out all the accounts in the phone, but this is optional as erasing or formatting the phone would automatically log out the accounts and erase everything on the phone. But it is required if I am not resetting the phone. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.